Howdy, Internet students. It's Mr. Hermanson here. This is Objective 6.1e Extra Practice. I'm going to go through one of each of these problems with you, and then you can go ahead and finish up the practice, and then you can do your ticket to retake and get on with things. All right. First of all, we're going to use a distributive property to expand these expressions. What that means is this number outside the parentheses, that means multiply, and you're going to just distribute that 3 with everything inside the parentheses. So I have to do 3 times 7, which is 21x, and then I also have to do 3 times -5, which is -15. So this expression in expanded form is 21x minus 15. All right, on the second problem, we're going to just kind of reverse that process. Instead of expanding it, we're going to write it with parentheses. So we want to think of some number that is a factor of both -8x and -48, and try and get the greatest common factor if you can. In this case, that would be -8. So what number times -8 is -8x, and that would be x. And then what number times -8 is -48. Of course, you could divide that to figure that out, but that would be +6. -8 times +6 is -48. All right, now number 3 here. We have 2 sets of parentheses we need to deal with, and then when we get it all simplified, you should only have 2 terms in the end. So we're going to combine like terms. So I'm going to distribute this 2 into here, and I'm going to distribute this 3 into here and do those multiplications. So 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 6 is 12, it's a +12. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now I'm going to combine like terms here. Like terms with x's are like terms, so 10x plus 3x makes 13x, and then also any constant terms are also like terms, so I can combine the 12 and the 12, and that makes 24. And now I'm done with that. Okay, and then on the last problem here, this is similar to the problem we just did. It's just that we're going to have to think of this 4 here as a -4. If there's a minus sign in front of it, you consider that a negative. So the first part here, this 15x, I'm not doing anything with that, so I'm just going to rewrite it 15x. The -16, I'm not going to do anything with that. Now some of you are thinking, why don't I do the -16 minus 4 first? And the reason is because this 4 right here means multiplication, and we know that in the order of operations, multiplication comes first. So I'm going to do -4 times +x, which gives me -4x. And then I'm also going to do a -4 times +7, which gives me -28. Combining like terms, the 15x minus 4x makes 11x. And then we have the constant terms, the -16 and the -28. 28 less than -16 is -44. So I end up with 11x minus 44. All right, that's the end of this video. Go ahead and finish the practice, and you should be ready to do your retake.